Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. So today, as you read the title, we're going to be drawing Cruella, Emma Stone from the movie. I know I'm a bit late on this trend, but I did draw it when it was trending back at this time, but I forgot to edit and post the video. But anyways, here we are. So of course, we're going to start off with a sketch brush, and I'm kind of trying to draw her in my style, kind of. So now I've been using the grids to start sketching, and it's been working out really fine. So yeah, I'm just trying to give her facial features and just tweaking things around to try to make it in my style. So I did lose some of the footage, but anyways, I just added the hair as a sketch, and now I used the permanent brush to color in the skin, because at first I really wanted to give it that sketch vibe coloring. I don't know if you guys would know it. I'm gonna show you a photo on the right. If you can tell what I mean, that's what I really wanted to start off as, but at the end I just continued doing the shading normally as I would usually do using the airbrush tool. I don't know why or what brought the idea. I just wanted to make her look creepy and scary, so I gave her a very scary eyeliner, and I went all out for it, and I absolutely loved it. And for the eyes, I kind of gave her a snake dragon eye, which I think was amazing. And I used the smooth lashes brush, but I really think it came out really beautiful. Now for the clothing, I did borrow or use the idea of the reference photo on my left. I really liked it, and I wanted to add that design into the masterpiece I'm creating. And I mean, I did change the design a bit. I just took oh my god. Yeah, okay. So I just took a pinch, a piece of the idea, and created it into my masterpiece. So now, moving on, we are gonna be coloring in the lipstick. I love how I made her lips so thin, and this dark tone, it looks so amazing. I didn't add much detail to the lips though, but they look amazing. So now, I didn't really like the position I drew this in, so I was trying to fix it and tweaking in some stuff, cleaning some lines, and just trying to basically fix and rescue my painting, because I wanted to give up on it so quickly and I didn't like it. But eventually I kind of just dealt with it, and I was like, okay, we can fix this, we can do this. Now for the most amazing, satisfying part, which is the hair. I just love how one hair is just like black and the other one's white. It's just amazing. Of course, I made the hair using the short hair brush. And overall, my plan was to make the hair brown and blonde, but of course I couldn't do that, so I just like, I'm gonna stick with the basic black and white because for many reasons I could not do that. I cannot match the right colors and it wouldn't turn out really good. And my goal here was to try to make the hair seem a bit light. I didn't want it to be heavy or seem heavy. For the most amazing part, which is drawing Cruella and giving a heart on Cruella's cheek, which was so not necessary but felt necessary to do. I really enjoyed doing this part, even though it lasted for seconds, but I feel it gave the photo a lot of character. I don't know, I just felt that. I thought it was necessary. Anyways, this is the end of today's video and here's how it came out to be. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and make sure to tell me what you think down below and watch my last video up there and subscribe. And thank you all so much for the support lately, and make sure to follow me on Instagram. I try to post content as much as I can try. But anyways, this is the end of today's video. I hope the video wasn't too long. I love y'all so much and see you in my next one. Bye.